so dainty. Yes, yes. Good. Cool. Who wants to go? And you can always go backwards if you want to. You can go on your hands and knees if you want to. Okay. Let's go to food for cat. Good. That's right. Good, Anna. Yeah, yeah. Excellent. Oh, down he goes. Oh, must be bird flu. Okay. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I like that. I like the leg lifts and the knees. Good. Excellent. Okay. Here we go. You could even be a little chick if you want to, or whatever. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay. Well, see what happens. Just, modify it, do what you can. Oh, all right. Yeah. Good work. Excellent. Yeah. Oh. Now, don't be so shy. That was great. Good. You can be. Oh, yeah. The penguins. I love the penguins. Yeah. The penguin pet. Good. That's good following. Excellent. Oh, yeah, she's got a different look. Excellent.
And action.
Wait, are you recording? Okay. I like the drag off. Oh, yeah, record first and then action. Action.
Hello, what's your name?
My name is too noble to be said, but you may call me the Eagle.
What kind of bird are you?
The Eagle.
What's your native cry?
My native cry, something like ah! Something like that.
Where do you live?
I live somewhere in the mountains. It could be anywhere at any time.
Do you have a family?
Family? I do. I did. Until the incident of bird catchers of 95.
What happened? Want to talk about it?
No, it is too shameful on my part. And too untalkable.
Okay. Action.
So, what is your species of bird?
Nightingale.
A nightingale. That's interesting. What does a nightingale sound like in your native speak? Oh, lovely. That sounds lovely. What do you usually eat?
Berries.
Oh, I do love berries myself. Do you just eat them raw or do you put them in a smoothie?
I don't know. I have servants. They make them for me.
Delicious.
Hey,
So
Ma, the birds are out of the blackberries again. Go get my shotgun.
What? I think you might want to fly away. Fly away. Okay. Okay, I'm going to be interviewed.
Okay, ready? Okay, he's going to cue you.
So, you seem like an interesting kind of bird. What kind of bird are you?
I'm chicken.
You're a chicken. I do like me some chicken. I mean, what is your native call?
My native call? Cluck.
Cluck?
Cluck.
Just cluck.
And you didn't even ask me my name.
Oh,
my species
I'm
matter
sorry.
more than my
I'm sorry.
name.
It's okay. I'm sorry. What is your name?
My name is Shanae.
Shanae. I think I had a delicious. So what's the pecking order where you come from?
Pecking order? Well, I'm at the top, obviously.
So you are a rooster?
No.
Shanae the rooster.
I'm Shanae the hen. I kicked the rooster out. I'm much superior to him.
Are
We
you-
live in an incredibly forward thinking.
Are you an egg layer?
An egg layer.
An egg layer.
Everyone lays eggs.
Watch out, McDonald's! Run! Run!
What is your name?
My name is Freezy. Freezy.
I have it in good confidence that you're a bird. What kind of bird are you?
I am a bird of paradise.
What is the native call of a bird of paradise?
It's very elegant. It starts like then it goes into like that.
Does that frighten any of your neighbors?
Yes, terribly.
As a bird of paradise, do you consider you and your species to be superior to other birds?
We are very frivolous and we're very beautiful. So yes, of course we're better.
Do other birds ever call you out on your vanity?
Well, they do, but you know how I answer them. I answer. What type of bird are you?
I'm a robin.
What's your native call? What colors are you?
Well, my chest is red, and everything
Like,
else.
what kind of red?
I don't know. I'm a robin. Do you think I've ever used crowns?
You're not like fire truck red or red orange or orange red.
I am beautiful. I bear no resemblance to a fire truck.
Okay, well then. So, what do you like eat?
Worms?
Has your bluntness/rudeness ever driven someone crazy?
If it has, Depops took care of them.
Epops, is that like your husband or your...
Good heavens, no. Depops is my king. What's your name?
I'm
What type of bird are you, Phoebe?
a Phoebe bird.
What is the native call of a Phoebe bird?
They're these really ugly birds. They're like brown and they like just hang out in trees. I think there's probably one like there's a few in Ann Arbor.
Oh,
I wake up to them every morning. I'm like, go be quiet. They're like, beep, 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 beep.